distinguished panellists with us today, including Dr. Mohammed Abulzaher, who is an academic, author, media expert and artificial intelligence journalism expert and pioneer. He is the founder of the Artificial Intelligence Journalism for Research and Forecasting. We've got Eunika Mercier-Laurent with us today, who is an electronic engineer and holds a PhD in computer science. Lastly, but not least, we have Matthew James Bailey, who is an internationally recognized pioneer and authority in the fields of
We in AIJWF, we created some guidelines about professional code of ethics related to AIG once we use artificial intelligence technologies in media. So I give a quick brief of that in 5 elements. First off, target audience. The target audience I can see, and we have to give them some responsibilities to choose kind of content, to be aware about what is the AI technologies are using to false you, using you to cheat you. So you have to get to create, to enhance the public awareness and with the target audience. Once you can find in some countries AI technologies can lead people. Some other countries they can't, because there is a difference in knowledge, difference in awareness of these AI technologies. Second is government and regulations. Once we talk about AIG, Code of Ethics, we have to directly, governments, organizations, legal organizations have to aware also about the big role of AI in our life.
Three points from General Code of Ethics of Journalists. 3 points are public and company enlightenment, seek the truth and minimize harm. The first, public and company enlightenment, means that the journalists have to inform but not afraid people. And you probably know AI is over 60 years old, and many techniques has been invented, such as artificial neural network from 1940s, robots 1960, object programming, expert system, prologue, machine learning in 1980s, data mining, case-based reasoning, constraint programming. All these techniques have been experimented for the benefits in all fields. But when it works, nobody talk about. And suddenly the third hype of AI triggered mainly for marketing purposes to sell more to more people. And we have big data, machine learning again, natural language processing, robots, IoT and drones. And all these things were demonized as many disruptive technology.
The quality of our ethics reflects the quality of how well society is doing. How well is it doing in its diversity? How well is it doing with its environment? How well is it doing in its society and dealing with inequities, etc., etc. Ethics originally probably first documented in the Vedas, which was written 5,000 years ago. And obviously we've had lots of different types of ethics that have been proposed by people like Aristotle.
I think there is no future of AI code of ethics unless without involving all the players in one game. Bring the AI manufacturers, bring governments, media and journalists.